Undersea World. Jellyfish
have no brain and are 98% water.
Sea turtle
Traveled our seas for the last 100 million years.
Dolphin
Is very intelligent and likes to blow bubble rings.
Pufferfish
Can inflate into a ball shape and is very poisonous.
Octopus
Has 3 hearts and his blood is blue.
Shark
Doesn't have bones and can swim around 8 kilometers per hour.
Seahorse
They have no teeth and no stomach.
Fish
Are speedy and can talk to each other.
Crab
Can walk in all directions and is able to survive on land and in water.
Whale
The blue whale is the largest animal that ever lived and can weigh as much as 24 elephants.
Starfish
They have no brain or blood, but can regenerate their own arms.
Squid
Can change color and swim backwards.
Clam
Is made up of a pair of shells and a soft inner body.
Seal
He prefers cold water seas and can hold its breath up to 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.